Welcome to another video sequel of our comprehensive guide to test automation and a new Nucida session. This basic guide about test automation is divided into several video sessions. We will delve into the world of test automation, covering everything from the basics and importance of automated testing to setting up the test automation environment. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. In this session, I will explain how to maintain and enhance test automation suites. Maintaining and enhancing a test automation suite is crucial for long-term success in test automation. This section will guide you through the essential steps to keep your test automation suite up to date, reliable, and effective. The first major point deals with the regularly reviewing and updating test scripts, which is essential to ensure their relevance and accuracy. I recommend following these 4 practices for maintaining your test scripts. 1. Test script review. Conduct periodic reviews of your test scripts to identify any outdated or redundant scripts. Review the test cases for accuracy, completeness, and alignment with the current application functionality. 2. Eliminate redundancy. Identify and eliminate redundant test scripts to avoid duplication of effort. Consolidate similar test cases into reusable components or scenarios. 3. Update for application changes. As the application under test evolves, update your test scripts accordingly. Incorporate changes in UI elements, workflows, or functionalities to keep the scripts aligned with the current application state. 4. Version control. Utilize version control systems to track changes made to test scripts. This allows for easy rollback to previous versions if needed, and provides a history of script modifications. Hey, before we go any further, my team just told me that over 60% of you who are watching this channel are new viewers, but you haven't subscribed to it. So, I would ask you, if you find this channel useful, to hit the subscribe button. That helps us analyze it, but more importantly, it helps me teach more people and feel like I'm doing the right thing to help you make a living doing what you love. This may be overwhelming for you, because you may be new to your business. You may not be used to software quality, test management, test automation, etc. Which seems a little crazy at first glance. I understand you. I feel for you. Do you have any questions? In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. The Nucida QA experts would be happy to support you. We will answer you in the comment section of this channel near time. Another important aspect is the integration of new tests, as your product or test object is constantly evolving. As new features or functionalities are added to the software product, it is essential to incorporate new tests into your automation suite. Thus, consider the following steps to obtain your test coverage. 1. Requirements. Analysis. Analyze new requirements and understand the scope and impact on your automation suite. Identify the necessary test scenarios and determine whether new test cases need to be created or existing ones need to be modified. 2. Test case design. Design new test cases to cover the new features or functionalities. Ensure that the test cases are comprehensive and cover different scenarios and edge cases. 3. Script development. Develop new test scripts based on the designed test cases. Leverage existing automation frameworks and reusable components to expedite script development. 4. Integration with test management. Integrate the new test cases and scripts into your test management system. Update test suites, test plans, and test schedules to include the newly added tests. Then the dealing with test failures and flaky tests is very important, because this information gives you the hints how to improve your tests further. Besides of that, test failures and flaky tests can undermine the reliability and effectiveness of your test automation suite, which could be very risky at the end of the day. Employ the following strategies to address these issues. 1. Root cause analysis. Perform root cause analysis to identify the underlying reasons for test failures. Investigate whether the failure is due to a genuine application defect or a test script issue. Address the root cause to prevent recurring failures. 2. Logging and debugging. Implement robust logging and debugging mechanisms in your test scripts. Capture relevant information, such as error messages, screenshots, or console logs, to aid in troubleshooting test failures. 3. Test environment stability. Ensure the stability and consistency of the test environment. Unstable or inconsistent environments can lead to flaky tests. Maintain the test environment by regularly updating dependencies and configurations. 4. Rerun and retry mechanisms. Implement rerun and retry mechanisms to handle intermittent failures caused by environmental factors or network issues. Retry failed tests a few times before considering them as genuine failures. By regularly reviewing and updating test scripts, incorporating new tests as the product evolves, and addressing test failures and flaky tests, you can maintain and enhance the effectiveness of your test automation suite. This ensures that your automation efforts continue to provide accurate and reliable results throughout the software development lifecycle. Sometimes the signs of unwanted changes, such as loss of test coverage, incorrect tests with false positive and false negative test results, or unclear outcomes in line with your quality metrics, can easily and unnoticeably lead to ineffective automated tests. To avoid this, I recommend enlisting the support of QA experts who can recognize these signs and take corrective action to maintain the efficiency of your automated test suites. Nucida's QA experts will be happy to help you improve your automated tests. I hope this video helps you understand more about test automation and how you can use it to improve your QA activities. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. In terms of any questions or hints, please leave a comment. To learn more, please take advantage of our other videos. I would like to recommend looking the complete test automation video sequence. Happy testing and see you next time. Are you ready to supercharge your business ventures? The Nucida Consulting Group is here to propel you forward in key domains such as marketing, software quality, financial management, and digital transformation. Our dedicated experts stand by your side, whether it's a pressing issue that needs immediate attention or a visionary project waiting to be orchestrated seamlessly. With Nucida, you're not just a client, you're a partner. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss upcoming videos about software quality, test management, and test automation. We bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, ensuring your company not only thrives, but excels in the competitive market landscape. Ready to reach new heights? Visit our Nucida Group homepage nucida.com to learn more about our cutting-edge consulting services.